Helping your child with maths at home, Twinkle Maths Subject Support makes it simple, clear and fun. On the Subject Support page, you'll find step-by-step parent guides, curriculum breakdowns, fun activities, games and even glossaries to explain tricky terms. Let's take Year 1, addition and subtraction for example. Every Subject Support page begins with a parent guide. These step-by-step explanations break down each topic into simple, manageable chunks. Perfect if you want to understand what your child is learning and how to support them. The top 10 activities brings learning to life, from colourful number bond worksheets to building brick tasks to rainbow challenge card. Each resource makes maths engaging and hands-on. You will even find a video section. All our videos have been written by qualified teachers. You can play, pause and rewind them to go at your own pace. And for added fun, don't forget to explore the interactive game section, with games tailored to reinforce your children's understanding through play. Got a quick question? The frequently asked questions section is packed with tips for parents, from common challenges to practical solutions. And not sure about a word? The glossary section explains key maths terms in plain English with clear examples you can share with your child. So, whether you're working on Year 1 addition and subtraction or any other maths topic right through to Year 6, Twinkle Maths Subject Support gives you everything you need to help your child succeed. So check out the Maths Subject Support page today by clicking the link in the description below and start making maths clear, simple and fun at home with your children.